Welcome to Zia's Kitchens. Today, let us make restaurant style crispy chili paneer. This is a Chinese dish, very tasty and very yummy dish. This is very simple and very easy to make at home. So, let us start now. For this, I have taken 300 grams of paneer block. Now, let us cut this into cube shape. Like this, we have to cut the paneer and keep it ready. Now let us cut the onions. Onions we have to make petals. Like this we have to take all the petals and keep it ready. Now here capsicum. Capsicum also you have to cut into square shape and keep everything ready. Now let us start marinating the paneer. Add the paneer cubes in a bowl and now add 2 tablespoons of maida and 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as per your taste, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can add Kashmiri chili powder if you have. Now mix everything together. Do not break the paneer. The paneer is very soft. Very slowly and gently we have to mix and let the paneer get coated. Now we are going to make this crispy. So now we have to add again 1 more tablespoon of maida and 1 more tablespoon of corn flour to this, and again just mix this together. Now it is double coated. So when we fry, the paneer will become super crispy. Now we are going to shallow fry this. In a hot pan, add oil and just add all the marinated paneer to this. This will not take long time. Now this is done. Slowly and gently we have to turn it to the other side. You can see all the sides have become golden brown in color. Now just take it out. I will show you how crispy the paneer is. By this way we can have this as a starter for any parties. But now we are going to make gravy for this. Now the paneer is ready. Wow. Now you can see, you can feel the crispness here. You can hear the sound. Very crispy. Now we are going to make the gravy. We have to be very quick making the gravy. So before that, let us make the sauce and keep ready. For this, in a bowl, I have taken 1.5 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now mix everything together and keep this aside. Now in a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. I am adding the same oil in which we fried the paneer. We have to be very quick. The flame should be in a high flame. Add the chopped garlic and the chopped ginger to this and just saute. Now add the onion petals. I have taken 2 medium size onions for this. The onions should not cook completely. Add 2 green chilies. This is optional. Now add the capsicum, diced capsicum to this. For this also I have taken 2 capsicum. Now add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and again little salt, because the soy sauce contains salt in this, so we have to adjust salt as to that. Now saute well. The capsicum and the onion should not cook completely, it should be crunchy. So now add the sauces which we made ready. Now add the sauces. Be quick. Let us give a quick stir to this. The flame is still in a high. Now add half a cup of water to this. Let it boil. Meanwhile, let us make the slurry. For this, I have taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour and add little water to this. Just mix well. And now add to the sauce. Now quickly mix well. You can see this is becoming thicker. The sauce is becoming thicker now. Now it's time to add the fried paneer to this. Now slowly mix everything together. The onions and the capsicums are crunchy. The paneer is very crispy. So totally the dish is very, very tasty and yummy dish. Slowly mix together and the paneer is now well coated with the sauces. Wow, beautiful aroma is coming. This is it. Restaurant style crispy chili paneer is ready now. We can have this as a side dish for any non-rotis or parathas, or even for fried rice or any variety rice we can use this. Please do subscribe my channel and also do like, share and also comment. Now let us serve this in a serving bowl. Now this is it. Very yummy chili paneer is ready. Thanks for watching.